Have you ever wanted to change your Disneyland park reservation, but you worried about it because you had to cancel your reservation first? Well, the good news is Disneyland has made an important change where you can now modify your park reservations without having to cancel first. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step for how you can easily do that. So first, open the Disneyland app and you'll see a plus sign at the bottom. Tap that and this menu will show up. From there, tap Make a Park Reservation. You'll then be brought into this screen, so tap this button for Make or Modify Park Reservations. On this next page, you'll see a list of your existing park reservations. So whether you have a reservation with a regular park ticket or your Disneyland Magic Key, just scroll down until you see something like this for the reservation you want to change. Then tap Modify Reservation. Select everybody in your party who you want to make the modification for, and then tap the Continue button. From there, you'll see a page where you can scroll down to a calendar section, and then you can select a new date that you want to visit. So let's say that you picked June 12th for Disneyland Park, but you want to switch to Disney California Adventure. If the park's available, it'll show you the Disney California Adventure logo. So just tap this one, and you'll be able to switch over to Disney California Adventure as your starting park. And if you already have Disneyland as your starting park, it'll be grayed out. You won't be able to select it. So what if you want to change your reservation to a completely different date? In this previous screen, you'll select a different date like I did here for the 16th. Since both parks are available, you'll be given the option to choose between Disneyland Park and Disney California Adventure Park. So make your selection and then hit Continue at the bottom, review the terms and conditions, and boom, your reservation is confirmed. But what if you want to cancel your reservation instead? It's the same process as before, but instead of selecting Modify Reservation on the screen, you'll click Cancel Reservation. You'll be able to select everybody in your party whose reservation you want to cancel, and then you'll be able to book at a later date. If you have a regular park ticket or park hopper, you'll be able to choose a later date when you're ready. Just keep in mind that you could have blockout dates depending on your ticket type. So using this reservation calendar is also a really good way to see when your ticket is eligible to visit. Now, if you don't want to miss out on any future Disneyland tips for your next visit, make sure you hit the subscribe button because I frequently post Disneyland tips. Leave your questions in the comments below and check out this next recommended video.